is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you a couple of soups today from my new book, Not Just Desserts. The very first soup we're going to work on today is a tortellini soup with chicken and scallions. Our ingredients are chicken, scallions, tortellini. In this case, I picked cheese tortellini. You can pick meat tortellini. They have a beautiful tricolor pasta tortellini, which has 3 different colors in it, and that makes a very festive type of seasonal dish. But today, you can actually use canned chicken broth, which is perfectly okay, but I took the liberty of making my own chicken broth. All I did was take breast meat chicken on the bone. I took 2 of these breasts just like this, and I put them in about 4 or 5 quarts of water. I boiled them with salt and pepper and just let that boil for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and I made my own chicken broth.